What do you get when you combine engineering and a sporting event? What happens when you combine manufacturing with a party? What brings students of all cultural backgrounds together to solve complex technical challenges? First Robotics Competition, or FRC. First, for inspiration and recognition of science and technology, is an organization that was founded to combine science, technology, engineering, and math with competitive robotics. By joining a local FRC team, students work together to design and build robots that compete at the regional and world level. However, FIRST is more than robots. If you do not have an interest in designing and building robots, maybe programming, graphic arts, marketing, writing, public speaking, charity, videography, photography, maybe animation, journalism, and video creating. If any of those things sound interesting, an FRC team is right where you want to be. One thing is for sure, you do not have to have any experience. You will gain that experience. What are the many things that brought students to FRC?
Mostly this guy right here.
Okay, so you came with a friend?
Yeah.
I don't know, I've always really loved robotics and like making, I just really loved the whole idea of robotics, and I always wanted to join a robotics team when I got to high school.
Just an interest in learning things, trying to improve skills and try to find my path in life.
We had an off-season event at one of our local resorts named Kalahari, and they showed off the robot and they let us drive it and everything, and then that's what got me started.
I attended a robotics camp and then I got into FTC.
My family's been in the whole STEM career. Like my cousin, he's an alumni. He worked for NASA, and I've always been interested in robotics and like building stuff with programming and electronics and stuff like that.
And my brother actually was on the team, so I became involved with FIRST through that.
All right.
So I got to go to competitions. I went to 2016 and 2017 Worlds, and then last year him and I were actually on the team together, so that's how I got.
I really wanted to start programming for FRC, so I was invited by a friend from my dad's work. So I joined the FTC team, and then last year I joined the FRC team.
My mom originally found out about FIRST Robotics, and we saw that there was Stellar Robotics, which was in Mansfield, which is close to where I live.
Why do students keep coming back year after year?
It's mostly a family thing, but there's just something about it, like you're not going to find anywhere to get the technical skills or the friends. Honestly, there's no other high school situation that puts you through this much work and gets you such a great outcome.
It's a good challenge. You can improve, you can learn from what you do. Regional after regional, you can get better.
The people.
The people make a lot of friends.
Yes, and also like at competitions you see robots who you've met before, and it's also just a feeling of like
I mean, it's hectic in the pits, but also there's a sense of camaraderie there.
It's an out of this world opportunity to be able to do something like this. Like I never thought that I would be able to have like exposure to any of this, and I feel like it's really awesome that we're being prepared and we're being taught a lot of skills that will later on.
Like the people we're with, because every day when I go into the shop HQ, it's who I'm surrounded by that better me as a person, as a STEM student, you could say, and just pique my interests.
We have a lot of fun together, and just the atmosphere of the competitions is so exciting. Like I always tell people that it's more exciting, there's more spirit than a.
Have you ever seen a robot play basketball, shoot Frisbees through a goal, gather gears and load them into an airship, climb a jungle gym, scale a castle wall and capture its flag, or mine cargo on a distant planet? Well, these are some of the things students design robots to do in FRC. However, each year's game is different. Students participate in other activities besides robotics. You will see friends from athletics, performing arts, academics, and many other activities. Sure, robotics can be demanding and sometimes stressful, but guarantee this: you will be ready to face any challenge in life after being on an FRC team. Thinking about college? Over 200 colleges and universities make available $80 million in scholarships to students participating in FIRST Robotics. There are over 3,700 teams throughout the world. In Ohio, there are 74 teams waiting for you to join. Go to firstinspires.org/team-event-search to find a team near you. You'll be glad you did. FIRST in Ohio.